Hello everybody. Today I welcome you in the another video of chapter 3, that is about sorting and filtering in MS Excel. So now we talk about sorting data. For sorting data you will have to firstly enter a table like this. I have entered, and the steps has been told how to enter a table like this. You know it very well, and description about this, how to enter table, and many more has been given in the description box. So after entering table you have to do sorting. First of all, you have to select from the heading, column heading. This is column heading, name of the player, highest score, average, 50s, hundreds. So these are the column headings. So this is called header in terms of sorting, and these are the records are horizontal and the field is vertical. The name of the player is a field, so it is vertical, and record is horizontal. Record is this is record, but this is column, this is field, this is another field. So record is combination of more than one field in related terms. Suppose that this particular table is about some cricket players in terms of their 50s and hundreds and average. One thing I would like to tell you about that, sorting and filtering are two different things. Many students are getting confused on this particular thing. The sorting and filtering are same thing, but they are two different things. Sorting means arranging data either in ascending order or in descending order, or from A to Z, or from Z to A, from smallest to largest, or from largest to smallest. So here we go. Firstly we select the table, then we click on the data tab. In data tab you get sort option, and you have to tick on this because your this table has header. We are calling it column field, it is also being called header. So you tick on this. Now you will get all the header here. So on the basis of the column field you can just modify the table facts and figure. Suppose that you want to reshuffle your table on the basis of 50s from smallest to largest. So 50s, I have selected 50s, and I have selected smallest to largest, and I click on OK. You see this is changed. So the least 50s are scored by VVS Lasmar, and the most 50s is scored by Sachin Ramesh Tendulkar. So on the basis of various header you can reshuffle the records in a table. Like once again, suppose that on the basis of average you want to see that whose average is better, whose average is less better. If you want to see, then you have to again click on it. Suppose that if you untick it, then you will get it in terms of column A, B, C, D. It will do the same, but it is not particularly clear that which column is about which header. So better if you tick. When you tick you get this. It is much evident that which column for which. So in terms of average and largest to small, if I click on largest to smallest, so on the basis of average from largest, whose average is largest and whose average is smallest, that will see you, this will be reshuffled in this manner. I click on OK, you can see. So best average is Virat Kohli, and the lowermost average is VVS Lakshman. So here you can see, and you can do a lot of practice. Now talk about filtering data. Filtering means eliminating. So filtering is the process of eliminating the data which is unrequired for us, whereas sorting means arranging data in ascending or descending order. So how to do filtering? For that, first of all you have to select the header are only two header, then click on data, click on filter. So You have got down arrow in the right side of the header. They are the down arrow. So we will filter data on the basis of that how many players belong to India only. Here are the list of 11 players. So we will find out a new list of those players who belong to India only. So we'll click on country and we will unselect all. Then we only click on India and we do OK. So only these 5 players belong to India and rest of the 6 players belong to abroad. So here in this way you can do filtration. Filtration means elimination. Now children, we talk about advanced filter. Advanced filter is always done on criteria based. These are the criteria. These are the field name of the player, highest score, average 50 and 100. But criteria are some term and condition on which basis the filtration will be done. Suppose that I have given 2 criteria here. You can see. So I want a list. In fact, these are the 11 player list. But I want that list in which highest score is more than 150 and average is more than 40. I do not want list of all the players. I want list of those players who has this criteria, these 2 criteria. So advanced filter is always done on 2 or more criteria. So here we start. For that we will have to click on data as usual, then advanced. Now here we start. Now filter the list in place. So list range is from $A, $2. So these are the absolute reference, absolute address. In very beginning I told you that there are 3 kind of cell addresses: absolute, mixed and relative. So these are the absolute addresses. It doesn't change, it remains fixed when copying and pasting. So from A2 to E12, from A2 to E12, this is the present table from which filtration is to be done. Now criteria range is very important. You have to take care of it. That click in the criteria range and then you click from here and just take it in this way. Now your criteria is set. This is criteria. Now copy to different location, because you want another list of with these criteria, so you should do it in different locations. So copy to another location. So again you click in here and you can change the location. You can do it from here. Okay. Now if you click on OK, the list will come as per your criteria. Here I click. You can see I've got only list of those players who has a highest score more than 150 and average is more than 40. You can see. So here you have 11 players, but you got list of only 4 players as a result. Now with this I conclude. Next week I'll come again with another explanation video of conditional formatting and various kind of charts, and that will be final video of chapter 3 explanation. Thank you. Take care.